Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 198 of Trading Talk. Episode 198. Now that is a lot of episodes. We've been making these Trading Talk videos now for over 4 years and we love hearing your positive feedback and seeing the ways in which all you traders out there are taking these concepts that we demonstrate and really making them your own. So let me put a question out to you. What would you like to see for episode number 200? Let us know. You can contact me personally via Skype, email, or you can call into the trading desk on +613 9018 5438 with your ideas. If you've got a great concept you'd like to share for episode 200, we might even be able to get you involved in the presentation. And if you're a long time watcher, you'll know that we've had guest presenters in the past. I look forward to hearing from you all. Back to this week's episode. Many traders ask us, how do I evolve a model from the initial idea through to automated trading? In this episode, one of our senior traders, Matt, breaks down each step, with today's step showing you a hedging technique that he uses in his own trading. This model was started a few episodes ago, and many of the traders who've been adding to the model each week are reporting some excellent testing results so far. Now, if you'd like to see the full episode 197 and build the model that we show today, just purchase the Trading Talk series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video there. To get updated first when a new episode's been released, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. I really hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.